role mo dito, di ba, parang magkarelasyon pa kayo ni TJ, pero may nakilala ka si Paolo. So, na-in-love ka din sa kanya?
Hindi po siya ma-explain kasi magiging parang mag-giveaway na. Pero yun maganda kasi when I watch it, kahit ako nabigla. Even gusto ko ma-surprise lahat ng tao. This one is very different. Para siyang sa ibang bansa talaga. Si Gerald kasi won't stick to the usual thing. He hates that. Kami pag nag-acting kami, sasabihin niya kung dapat yung natural lang. Never go overboard, never go super.
Bakit natutuwa or your films or your projects? Parang kakaiba.
Kakaiba siya lahat. I'm very thankful I had to put myself into Andrea's character and think of my past, present, and my future. May mga ibang katayuan. May mga katayuan kung sino si Ben, sino si TJ sa akin, sino si...
Pero in real life ba, ganun ka rin na kailangan yung past mo iba sa present and sa future? Or...
No. If given the chance naman na yung past mo siya pa rin yung future mo.
Mahirap ka talaga mag-move.
A lot of people naman can relate, kaya maganda yung sana dati.
In real life ba, Lovey, possible ba yung gano'n na in a relationship ka pero pwede ka mag-fall sa iba?
Ako?
In real life?
In real life? Well, a lot of people are going through that. Let's be honest and let's not be But then, it's the sad truth.
So would you stay in a relationship because it's the right thing to do or...
that part, that's mahirap yan Mahirap siya sagutin because I really don't know.
And Andrea is a very complicated woman.
She's a very complex character. Very self-centered. Yun nga, kumbaga.
So let's cross the bridge ba? Parang gano'n.
Parang she's... that's why I love her character kasi... actually, nung pinanood ko siya, yung sister ko was beside me. She's like, I hate you there. I hate your character. And she's not doing anything... Hindi siya salbahe na tao. Pero, siya, sick in the head.
When you're in love, what's the craziest thing you can do?
Go against all odds.
Parang yung tatalon ka rin sa ganun ba yun?
Craziest thing you can do? Wala, go against all odds. Go fight for it, I think.
Kahit yung parents mo, parang kahit ayaw nila?
I think so. Mapupunta rin naman sa point na gano'n. Pwedeng mapunta sa point na gano'n. As long as you know that you're right or something, stand your ground. Your head should control your heart din. That's why it's up there. It's above.
Based din sa mga na-experience mo, may regrets ka ba na dahil puso yung ginamit mo?
No regrets. I have no regrets kasi hindi naman ako magiging ganito ngayon. Siguro, yung lahat ng kung sino ako ngayon kung hindi naman dahil sa mga nangyari sa akin.
Anong strength ng pagpuso ang ginagamit?
Strength is you become stronger emotionally. Kapag nasaktan ka in the future, parang it gets easier.
And yung weakness?
Weakness, siguro, you have your moments May mga moments siguro. Of course, getting hurt and feeling vulnerable. First time ko mag-Hawaii. Yes.
Ay, plano mo? Anong plano mo?
Plano ko?
Bikini.
Yes. Mag-diet ngayon. Mag-pictorial doon.